Pay attention to what is about to happen inside of the gold and the silver markets ahead, because I promise you, a major shift just happened yesterday inside of both of these markets, and it doesn't seem like anybody's talking about it. We aren't just talking like potential new all-time highs here. What just happened? It's way bigger than that. We have been patiently waiting for this to happen for over a month. Not only was this shift super bullish, but this shift was a critical turning point in the overall global market, and I'm going to show you exactly why. Everybody just saw the gold and the silver rally yesterday as just that, a long overdue rally back to higher prices, but it was so much more, and we're going to break that down inside of this video. Now, that shift that just happened on both metals and the broader markets, it wasn't just a fundamental or a technical pump. It could be a signal of a long-term trend that is now establishing itself. This is huge. And if that trend goes where I think it could go, we are all going to be very happy that we are holding on to our physical gold and silver. Now, I'm going to give you my new targets inside of this video, but if you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader inside of not only the gold and silver, the metals markets, but also the S&P, crypto, you name it, we trade it, and I am also the founder of NORDIC Alpha, where we are positioned for this shift actually before the shift happened. As you can see, we are in an active long position that is absolutely crushing it right now, and we are just continuing to ride it up on gold. So we were positioned almost a month ahead of time, ahead of the move that actually happened. Now, what I want people to understand is what exactly just happened. And this is me, I am giving a spoiler, okay? But I'm also gonna show you this on the charts. Inside of the market, especially the paper markets that most people trade, there is institutional money and institutional algorithms that make that market move, okay? And one thing I will tell you is that those algorithms and that money just decided that gold and silver are okay being bullish. Why? And how did that happen? First off, on gold, we shifted our market structure back on the 1-hour chart to an uptrend, which now aligns the 1 hour with the broader trends. The 1 month, the 1 week, the 1 day, and the 12-hour, all in an uptrend. The only thing that we are lacking on is the 4-hour or those kind of like shorter midterm time frame charts. Where exactly did that happen? It happened right there and right here, okay? Those were the only two levels that anybody needed to understand and know about. Now, if you want these actionable trade setups, there's only one place that you can get them, and it's inside of NORDIC Alpha. Just before anybody asks, that's exactly where all these trade setups and ideas live. Now, we're gonna take this off of the screen and we're gonna get into what's actually going on. We had our low here, we had our high, right? This high actually took out our previous high, and obviously this high took out our previous high, this high took out our previous high, right? And we just kept trailing our lows all the way up. Then our lows came right here, and we broke market structure to the downside right there because we broke our low. What then happened was we closed a candle outside of these highs. We also closed a candle outside of the proprietary deviation zone that I was talking about on my videos in the past week, and boom, now we have shifted market structure to the upside on the 1-hour chart, which aligns it with those longer term time frames. And then as long as we can close a candle above 56.2680 on the 4-hour chart, we are going to be in an uptrend also on the 4-hour chart, and then we will align all trends. This is extremely bullish for gold, and it is the pathway to all-time highs and then potentially even further all-time highs from here. One thing I will say, I do have what is called my proprietary deviation zone tool. Am I gonna show you where this tool is taking us? I'll show you one of them. $6,000 is our very first price target. There is another price target that comes after this, because as you can see from our local one, you could see that there are 2 deviation zones here. Once we close candles above here, you're probably gonna be coming up here to about the $5,900 to $6,000 range. Now, one thing I will say, if you want to understand how I use those deviation zones, my proprietary deviation zones, you have to get on the office hours call that is coming tomorrow. If you subscribe to that call, you will save 20%. So feel free to get on the office hours call where I go through all of my proprietary trading mechanisms that actually move the needle for me. But let's get into silver. And again, I have to tell you, if you want these actionable trade setups, dude, you have to get inside of NORDIC Alpha. And one more public service announcement, it is going up by 67%. At the end of the day today, we offer discounts on 3, 6, and 12-month memberships right now. Get in where you fit in. Now, this is the trade that we're in on silver right now. Obviously, we're looking to just continue riding this up to new levels. Right here, what we had was our 1 hour, our 4 hour, and our 12 hour market structure highs. One thing you need to understand on silver, we were in a downtrend on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the 12 hour chart. The 1 day, the 1 month, and the 1 week were all in an uptrend, okay? Look what just happened. We actually cracked that high on not only the 1 hour, but we also cracked that high, as you can see, on the 4 hour chart, the 12 hour chart. Boom. And now we are in an uptrend on every single chart. The 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 12 hour, the 1 day, the 1 week, the 1 month. Everything has now aligned into an uptrend, just like it was aligned back when we went from like $35 to $120 some dollars. That's why I'm saying, like, this is huge and you need to prepare yourself for it. We have our first resistance right here at about $95, period. But the one thing I have to caution you about with silver is that your range is actually from $94 all the way down to $64. So there is a lot of action that can happen inside of here. And the reason is because that's where all of your market structure lows are on every single chart. And now your market structure highs are all the way up here. That is an insane range. But one thing I will say is that so long as we come up and we crack these highs again, we will be able to move our market structure highs on those charts up. That way we will know if we are going to continue this trend upwards. Now, whenever you get into a long-term trend like this, is where things start to trend potentially in one direction for a very, very long time. And I'm gonna show you where that can potentially take us. Naturally, you have to hit the all-time highs at 121.78.5, right? If you do crack that, your first stop is gonna be about 136 to 142, okay? So we know that we have ultimate support down here at $64, but I don't even care about that support because I don't wanna go anywhere under $82.50 ever again, okay? That's your double top highs right here. That is going to be key and massive support, and if we can hold that as a support, continue legging up, crack that 107, crack the 121, we're coming up here to about 136 to 142. You may be asking, what is the line in the sand on gold right now? The line in the sand on gold is gonna be right here at about $5,100, and ultimately, you're just gonna wanna hold up above $5,000 on gold, and that's gonna get you, hopefully, on your way to the all-time high, and then potentially the new all-time highs after. If you want to understand those proprietary deviation zones, get into the office hours call that's happening tomorrow at noon Eastern time on Sunday, March 1st. You can get a 20% discount by subscribing to that call that happens at the last Sunday of every single month. And there is a recording, so you don't have to be there live. Second to that, make sure you get inside of NORDIC Alpha if you want the trade ideas and the trade setups from me every single day. It is going up by 67% at the end of the day today, so get in where you fit in.